good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be watching this from. This is Cornelius Lubinda with another video. Additional mathematics, vectors. We are looking at the scalar or dot product of two vectors. Question 3, which reads, find angle AOB if AO is equal to 4i plus j and OB is equal to I plus 7j. So we need to find the angle between these two vectors. So we have AO is equal to 4i plus j, and then OB is equal to I plus 7j. And then they're asking us to find the angle between these two vectors. So at the end of the video, I'm going to graph these two vectors just to prove that the answer we have found is correct. Okay, so these are the two vectors right here, and then we have the formula a dot b is equal to the magnitude of a multiplied by magnitude of b multiplied by cos theta. So they want us to find theta. So the a dot b right here, we will just substitute. So we can say a would be OA, so this would be our a, then this would be our b. Alright, so our a will say substitute by this part, 4i plus j, okay, you multiply by our b, I plus 7j is equal to magnitude of a is square root of the x component squared, which is 4 squared, plus the y component squared, 1 squared, you multiply by the magnitude of b, x component squared, 1 squared, plus the y component squared, 7 squared, multiplied by cosine theta, like that. So here, if we simplify, multiplying this here, so we are multiplying this 4 by this I, which will just give us 4, and then j times 7j is positive 7, which will be equal to, so just like that, 4 plus 7 is equal to the square root of 16 here. 4 squared is 16 plus 1 squared is a 1, multiplied by the square root of 1 squared is a 1 plus 7 squared is a 49, multiplied by cosine theta. Then we simplify here, we're going to have 11 is equal to square root of 17 multiplied by square root of 50 multiplied by cosine theta. So that is how it has simplified to. Then we divide both sides by square root of 17 multiplied by 50. We divide by square root of 17 multiplied by 50. So this and this, this and this shall give you ones. Cosine theta is equal to 11 over square root of 17 multiplied by square root of 50. Then theta is equal to cos inverse of 11. You divide by square root of 17 multiplied by square root of 50. So when you're finding the angle between these two vectors, you just get the angle that you have. The answer that you have is what you should put. So if there was a negative sign here, just get the negative sign. That's what I'm trying to say. So just get the answer, the principal answer that you would find. This will be cos inverse of 11. We divide by square root of 17 multiplied by square root of 50, which is giving us square root of 50 like that, which is giving us 67.8 degrees. So therefore our theta Therefore, theta is equal to 67.8 degrees. And that's our final answer. That's the angle between those two vectors. That's the final answer for question 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for the support. And this has been Cornelius Luvinda with another video, and bye-bye.